I am Dr. Jessie John and Assistant Professor in the Department of Anatomy and Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. We have discussed some part of the eyeball and today we will discuss the remaining part of the eyeball. Now we will start from the ciliary body. The ciliary body is the thickening in the vascular tunic. It is continuous with the choroid behind and the iris in front. It is situated posterior to the corneoscleral junction in front of the ora serrata of retina, and the ciliary body suspend the lens via suspensory ligament. And now we can see the parts of the ciliary body. These are ciliary ring, ciliary processes, and ciliary muscle. Ciliary ring is outer fibrous ring which is continuous with the choroid, and ciliary process are group of 60 to 90 folds on the inner aspects of the ciliary body. The ciliary process are a complex of capillaries and cuboidal epithelium which secretes aqueous humor. The ciliary process may be compared with choroidal plexus of the brain ventricles involved in the secretion of the CSF. Ciliary muscles is small, unstripped muscles. Mass consists of mainly two types of fibers. These are outer radial fibers and inner circular fibers. Function: its main function is to focus the lens for near vision. The ciliary muscles as a whole act as a sphincter. Therefore, when it muscles fibers both radial and circular contract, the choroid is pulled towards the lens, reducing the tension on the suspensory ligament. This allows the lens to assume a more spherical form because of its own elastic nature. Now, lens can cause more reflection needed for the accommodation. Now, iris. Iris is contractile diaphragm between the cornea and the lens. An opening its center is called a pupil. The iris is attached at its periphery to the middle of the anterior surface of the ciliary body. Peripheral to this attachment, the ciliary body, narrow rim of the sclera form the iridocorneal angle. Structure: the iris consists of four layers from before backwards. These are as follows: an anterior mesothelial lining, a connective tissue stroma containing pigment cell and blood cells, a layer of smooth muscle which consists of two parts, that is constrictor pupillae and dilator pupillae, a posterior layer of the pigment cell which is continuous with the ciliary part of the retina. Retina is the innermost part of the eyeball. It consists of two layers, an outer pigment layer and a sensory layer. The space between the two layers contains a gummy substance that glues the two layers. The retina is present between the choroid and the hyaloid member of the vitreous. The retina diminishes in thickness from behind forward. Anteriorly, it presents an irregular edge called ora serrata. Structure: the outer surface. Now we will